One missed shot can cost you the trophy of a lifetime, and sometimes the rifle is not the problem. The truth is that your scope decides whether you spot the movement, place the shot with confidence, or watch your opportunity disappear into the timber. Thank you for joining us here on Alpha Gun Review. We sincerely appreciate every one of you who spends your valuable time watching our videos and supporting this channel. If you enjoy honest hunting gear reviews, real-world testing, and rankings based on performance instead of marketing, please take a second to like this video and subscribe. It is the best way to help us keep bringing you the latest hunting content. Today, we are counting down the top 7 hunting scope brands of 2026 to find out which one truly deserves the #1 spot. Before we begin, tell us about your very first hunting scope. What rifle did you mount it on? And what was the first animal you harvested with it? We cannot wait to read your stories in the comments. Number 7 belongs to Trijicon. Earning a place on this list is no small achievement, because every brand we are covering today has already proven itself in the field. The real question is not whether Trijicon makes a great hunting scope. It absolutely does. The question is why it finishes at number 7 instead of climbing even higher. The answer comes down to priorities. Trijicon focuses on rugged reliability above everything else, building optics that continue performing when heavy recoil, freezing temperatures, pouring rain, and rough backcountry hunts push equipment to its limits. Rather than loading its scopes with complicated electronics, the company sticks to a practical design built around durability and confidence. The AccuPoint series perfectly represents that philosophy. Its dual illumination system combines fiber optics with tritium, automatically adjusting brightness throughout the day, while continuing to provide a visible aiming point after sunset without relying on batteries. For hunters spending days in remote country, eliminating batteries means one less potential failure when the opportunity of a lifetime finally appears. Optical performance is equally impressive, delivering excellent edge-to-edge clarity, natural color, and a clean sight picture that performs especially well in thick timber and changing light conditions. Hunters looking for a more traditional illuminated optic can step up to the Credo HX line, while the Huron series offers a simpler approach for those who value straightforward reliability over extra features. So why is Trijicon ranked only 7th? Compared with the brands still ahead, its feature set is intentionally conservative. Buyers paying premium prices may expect more reticle options, exposed elevation turrets, or advanced ballistic systems. Tritium illumination also gradually loses brightness after many years of use. Even with those limitations, Trijicon remains one of the toughest hunting optics available today. If dependable performance matters more than flashy technology, this brand deserves serious respect. It opens our countdown because reliability alone is not enough to claim the #1 spot, but it provides a rock-solid foundation that every serious hunting scope should aspire to achieve. Coming in at number 6 is Burris, a brand that has never been afraid to take a different path from the competition. While many hunting scope manufacturers concentrate on either traditional optics or tactical precision, Burris successfully blends dependable hunting performance with some of the most innovative ballistic technology available today. That combination is exactly why it climbs one position above Trijicon in our rankings. The company offers an impressive lineup, ranging from the affordable full-field series to the advanced Veracity PH and Eliminator models, giving hunters options for nearly every budget and hunting style. The biggest reason Burris stands out is the Veracity PH and its innovative PEK system. Instead of relying on a conventional elevation turret with fixed clicks, Burris integrates a clickless mechanical dial with a digital position sensor. After loading your rifle and ammunition data through the Burris Connect application, the scope continuously tracks turret movement and converts it into precise elevation information. Without taking your eye away from the target, the internal display can show distance, elevation correction, rifle angle, cant, wind hold, and battery status. The dial moves with a smooth, controlled sweep instead of traditional clicks, reducing the mental calculations that often slow hunters during high-pressure situations. Even if the battery loses power, the Veracity PH continues functioning as a conventional hunting scope. Hunters who prefer a fully mechanical optic can also choose the redesigned Veracity series, which features high-definition glass, a double-spring turret system, and a zero-click stop. So why does Burris stop at number 6 instead of moving higher? The advanced technology also creates additional complexity. Building ballistic profiles, confirming environmental data, learning the digital interface, and managing batteries require more effort than mounting a traditional scope and heading into the field. Premium digital models also become considerably more expensive. Even so, Burris deserves this position because very few brands combine affordable hunting optics, dependable mechanical engineering, and genuinely useful ballistic innovation as successfully. It clearly advances beyond basic reliability, but the brands still ahead deliver greater refinement, optical performance, and overall hunting experience. Taking the number 5 position is Nightforce, a brand that has earned an almost legendary reputation for mechanical precision and uncompromising durability. Unlike companies that chase lighter weight or load their optics with electronic features, Nightforce builds every scope around one primary objective: absolute tracking reliability. When hunters dial for long-distance shots, they need complete confidence that every adjustment is accurate and that the scope will return to its original zero every single time. That philosophy has made Nightforce a favorite among experienced long-range hunters who value dependable performance above everything else. The company's lineup reflects that commitment. The AT-ACR series represents its flagship platform, delivering premium construction and exceptional precision, while the NX8 packs much of that capability into a shorter, more compact body. Hunters looking for a simpler and more affordable option can choose the SHV series without giving up the company's reputation for rugged engineering. One of Nightforce's signature features is its zero-stop system. After zeroing the rifle, the elevation turret creates a solid mechanical stopping point at the original zero. Hunters can dial multiple rotations for extended distance shots, then simply rotate the turret back until it reaches that unmistakable stop without counting revolutions or worrying about losing track in poor light. Every click feels dense, precise, and confidence-inspiring, giving the impression of a mechanism built to last for decades. The NX8 2.5 to 20 by 50 perfectly demonstrates this approach by offering a wide magnification range, first or second focal plane configurations, and an impressive 110 minutes of elevation adjustment inside a compact design. So why does Nightforce remain at number 5 instead of climbing into the top tier? The answer is weight and cost. Even the compact NX8 first focal plane model weighs around 28.3 ounces, making lightweight mountain rifles feel noticeably heavier during long hunts. Premium pricing also places it beyond the reach of many hunters. Nightforce earns tremendous respect for its unmatched tracking accuracy and tank-like construction, but the brands still ahead combine outstanding performance with greater practicality, lighter designs, or superior optical refinement, pushing them one step closer to the number 1 position. Moving up to number 4 is Zeiss, the first European brand to enter our countdown, and the point where this ranking shifts from outstanding hunting scopes to truly premium optics. Zeiss has spent generations building its reputation around one simple goal: delivering exceptional image quality when hunters need it most. As daylight begins to fade and shadows start swallowing detail, a great scope is no longer judged by magnification alone. It is judged by how much detail it allows you to see when every second matters. That is exactly where Zeiss separates itself from many competitors. The Conquest 4 brings world-class optical performance into a practical hunting package, while the Victory series pushes clarity and low-light capability even further into the premium category. Behind that performance is the company's renowned T-Star lens coating, which is individually optimized for each lens surface rather than applying a single coating formula across the entire optical system. By reducing reflections and increasing light transmission, more usable light reaches the hunter's eye, producing outstanding contrast, natural colors, and remarkable detail in difficult lighting conditions. Zeiss also applies its Leupold protective coating, to the exterior lenses. Inspired by the natural properties of lotus leaves, this hydrophobic surface causes rainwater to bead and roll away, while making mud, fingerprints, and dust much easier to remove in the field. These technologies work together to preserve a clean sight picture when weather conditions become less than ideal. So why does Zeiss stop at number 4? The answer comes down to value. A Conquest V4 4-16 by 44 can cost around $1,275, and much of that investment goes directly into premium glass quality, precision manufacturing, and advanced lens coatings rather than electronic features or sophisticated ballistic systems. Hunters who prioritize practical technology may find better value elsewhere. Even so, Zeiss earns its place because few brands deliver this level of optical excellence and low-light performance. It marks the beginning of our elite tier, but the 3 brands still ahead combine remarkable glass with even greater versatility, innovation, or overall hunting performance in the race for the number 1 position. Reaching number 3 is Swarovski Optik, a brand that many hunters consider the gold standard for premium hunting optics. If this ranking were based on image quality alone, Swarovski would have a strong case for taking the top position. Few companies can match its ability to produce an image that remains bright, sharp, and incredibly natural when the first light of morning breaks across a valley, or the final minutes of legal shooting light begin to disappear. Looking through a Swarovski scope feels different. Colors remain true to life, edges stay remarkably crisp, and fine details stand out without the artificial contrast often found in lower quality optics. The Z5i Plus is designed for hunters who demand lightweight performance in steep mountain terrain, while the Z8i series offers an exceptionally wide zoom range and a forgiving eye box that makes fast target acquisition much easier under real hunting conditions. Swarovski also redesigned its ballistic turret system to make long-range adjustments more intuitive. Instead of forcing hunters to memorize elevation values, the turret can be configured for specific distances based on an individual ballistic profile. After zeroing the rifle, shooters simply dial to the marked distance and then return directly to the original zero position when the shot is complete. The newest Z5i Plus provides 3 times the adjustment range of the previous generation, making it even more capable for extended range hunting. Combined with the outstanding optical system of the Z8i, hunters receive exceptional clarity, generous field of view, and a viewing experience that makes identifying fine details almost effortless. So why does Swarovski finish at number 3 instead of taking the crown? Its primary focus remains traditional hunting excellence rather than tactical versatility. Shooters looking for complex tactical reticles, oversized exposed turrets, or first focal plane competition features may find the controls intentionally simple. Swarovski is built to help hunters identify game, dial confidently, and make ethical shots in the field, not imitate a dedicated competition optic. Its breathtaking optical performance easily places it among the very best in the world, but the final 2 brands deliver a broader combination of practicality, versatility, and real-world hunting value that ultimately earns them the top 2 positions. Taking the runner-up position at number 2 is Vortex Optics, one of the most recognized names in the hunting world, and arguably the most versatile brand in this entire ranking. Very few manufacturers offer a lineup that covers such a wide range of hunters, from first-time buyers purchasing their very first scope to experienced backcountry hunters demanding premium performance. That versatility is one of Vortex's greatest strengths. A hunter can begin with the Crossfire or Diamondback series, move into the Viper lineup as experience grows, and eventually step up to the Razor HD LHT without ever leaving the brand. Combined with one of the strongest lifetime warranty programs in the industry, Vortex has become the safe recommendation for hunters who want dependable performance without taking a gamble on an unfamiliar manufacturer. One of the company's most practical innovations is the RevStop Zero system. After zeroing the rifle, a dedicated zero ring creates a solid mechanical stop beneath the elevation turret, allowing hunters to dial for longer shots and instantly return to their original zero without counting revolutions or second-guessing their settings. Several razor hunting models also feature a locking elevation turret that prevents accidental adjustments while hiking through heavy brush or carrying the rifle on a backpack. The Razor HDLHT 2-10x40 perfectly demonstrates what Vortex does best. Weighing only 18.4 ounces, it combines an apochromatic optical system with XR Plus anti-reflective lens coatings to deliver crisp contrast, excellent color correction, and minimal color fringing, while keeping overall weight remarkably low for mountain hunting. So why does Vortex stop at number 2 instead of claiming the crown? The answer is consistency across the product lineup. While premium razor models deliver outstanding optical quality and refined controls, entry-level crossfire scopes cannot match that same level of performance. Buyers must evaluate each product family individually, rather than assuming every scope carrying the Vortex name performs identically. Even so, its incredible product range, practical engineering, outstanding warranty, and proven hunting performance make Vortex one of the easiest brands to recommend. Only one company combines lightweight design, dependable reliability, practical ballistic innovation, and overall hunting refinement even more successfully, earning the #1 position. Claiming the #1 position is Leupold, not because it produces the most expensive scope or the most feature-packed optic, but because it delivers the best overall balance of everything a serious hunter truly needs. A hunting scope must do far more than produce a bright image. It has to remain lightweight during long days in the mountains, survive years of heavy recoil, maintain a reliable zero through changing weather, control glare in difficult lighting, and remain simple enough to operate when cold temperatures, fatigue, and adrenaline begin affecting every decision. No brand in this ranking brings all of those qualities together more effectively than Leupold, which is why it earns the title of the #1 hunting scope brand of 2026. At the center of that success is the CDSZL2 elevation system. After providing information about your cartridge, bullet, muzzle velocity, elevation, and typical hunting conditions, Leupold creates a custom laser-marked elevation dial matched specifically to your ballistic profile. Instead of calculating minutes of angle or milliradians in the field, hunters simply range the target and rotate the dial to the corresponding yardage. The zero lock button prevents accidental movement, while the 2-revolution design provides additional adjustment for longer distance shots without sacrificing simplicity. Comparing Leupold with the other elite brands explains why it ultimately takes the crown. Swarovski may deliver even more luxurious optical performance, while Nightforce offers unmatched mechanical toughness, and Vortex provides an enormous selection backed by an outstanding warranty. Yet Leupold combines the strengths of each without carrying the same compromises. The professional-grade optical system effectively controls glare. The guard ion lens coating repels water, dirt, and fingerprints, and the lightweight housing helps absorb recoil while keeping rifles comfortable to carry throughout an entire day in the field. A VX5 HD 3-15x44 weighs significantly less than many competing premium scopes, while still delivering exceptional optical performance and dependable tracking. That combination of lightweight design, rugged durability, practical ballistic dialing, and proven field reliability makes Leupold the complete hunting package. Rather than dominating one category, it performs exceptionally well in every category that matters most, making it the clear choice for the #1 position in this year's ranking. That wraps up our ranking of the top 7 hunting scope brands of 2026. As you've seen, every brand on this list excels in a different area. Trijicon stands out for unmatched reliability. Burris pushes ballistic technology forward. Nightforce delivers incredible mechanical precision. Zeiss and Swarovski showcase world-class European glass. Vortex offers outstanding versatility, and Leupold earns the top spot by combining lightweight design, dependable tracking, practical features, and proven hunting performance into one complete package. Now we want to hear from you. Which brand would you rank #1? And do you agree with our list? More importantly, tell us about your very first hunting scope. What rifle did you mount it on? And what was the first game animal you harvested with it? We always enjoy reading those stories because every hunter has one memorable experience that started a lifelong passion. If you enjoyed this ranking, please give the video a like and subscribe to Alpha Gun Review for more honest reviews, in-depth comparisons, and hunting gear rankings. Thank you for watching, stay safe in the field, and we will see you in the next video.